Only got 5 minutes? Then stop scrolling. This is your daily 10-move belly fat workout. No equipment, no gym, no noise. Just do your living room and 10 powerful exercises that will sculpt your core, tighten your waist, and kickstart fat burn right now. Ready? Let's do this together. Welcome to your new favorite 5-minute home workout. This is more than just exercise. This is your daily commitment to yourself. Whether you're tired of stubborn belly fat, trying to restart your fitness journey, or just want a short, effective routine to stay consistent, you're in the right place. Now let's be real, belly fat is tough. It's not just about looks, it's about feeling healthy, confident, and strong. But here's the good news: you don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership. All you need is 5 focused minutes a day and a little fire in your heart. Today's workout includes 10 bodyweight exercises, each just 30 seconds long. They're designed to target every part of your core: upper abs, lower abs, obliques, and even your deep stabilizing muscles. Plus, you'll get a boost in metabolism and energy with moves that also get your heart rate up. Don't worry if you're a beginner, just go at your pace. And if you've been working out already, then let's level it up. The beauty of this routine is that it scales to any fitness level. So take a deep breath, grab some water, and roll out that mat. Because these next 5 minutes, they're yours. Let's flatten that stomach, boost that confidence, and build something better right here, right now. Let's go. Exercise 1. High knees. High knees are the perfect way to launch into this workout. You'll get your blood pumping, raise your heart rate, and start burning calories from the very first second. But there's more to high knees than just cardio. They also wake up your core muscles, especially your lower abs. Here's how to do it right. Stand tall, keep your back straight, and drive your knees up to your waist, one at a time, as fast as you can. Pump your arms like you're running in place. The goal is controlled speed. Don't flail your legs or hunch forward. Engage your core with every lift. This move isn't just a warm-up, it's a belly fat buster in disguise. It activates your abdominal wall, strengthens your hip flexors, and even improves coordination and balance. For beginners, slow it down and focus on height. For advanced users, pick up the pace and get those knees even higher. This is your chance to sweat from the very start. Remember, we're not just working hard, we're working smart. Keep going, you've got this. Exercise 2. Standing side crunches. This move is simple, silent, and seriously effective. Standing side crunches directly target your obliques, the muscles that cinch your waist and define your sides. Start by standing tall with your hands behind your head. Now lift your right knee up toward your elbow while bending your torso to the side. Crunch them together, then return to standing and repeat on the other side. Don't rush. Keep your core tight and focus on the mind-muscle connection. You'll feel the burn on your sides, and that's exactly what we want. These crunches sculpt the outer abdominals and improve balance. You're not just moving, you're carving your waistline. Make sure you're exhaling during the crunch and keeping your chest open. Avoid leaning forward. Your body should move side to side, not forward and back. This isolation strengthens your side muscles and builds that hourglass shape. The bonus? This move also keeps your heart rate up, so you're burning calories while building definition. You're 2 exercises in and your belly fat doesn't stand a chance. Keep pushing. Exercise 3. Plank shoulder taps. Now let's drop down into a plank. Plank shoulder taps challenge your stability, balance, and core strength all at once. This is a foundational movement that helps you build a strong, flat stomach. Get into a high plank position, wrists under shoulders, feet hip width apart. Keep your back flat and abs tight. Now lift one hand and tap the opposite shoulder. Alternate sides without letting your hips rock side to side. That's the secret control. The slower and more controlled your taps, the more your deep core stabilizers get activated. These are the muscles that pull your waist in and support your spine. Your abs, obliques, and lower back will all be working overtime here. If this feels too tough, widen your feet for more stability. If you want a challenge, bring your feet closer together or add a push-up between taps. This movement builds serious abdominal strength and reinforces posture. It's also a great test of endurance and coordination. Keep breathing, keep squeezing your core, and stay in the zone. You're building a flat, powerful midsection, one tap at a time. Exercise 4. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are one of the most powerful sculpting moves you can do at home. They target the upper and lower abs while also hitting your obliques, making them perfect for flattening your stomach from every angle. Start by lying flat on your back with your hands behind your head and your legs lifted off the floor. Bring your right elbow toward your left knee while extending the other leg out. Then switch sides like you're pedaling a bicycle, hence the name. Here's the key: go slow and controlled. This isn't about speed, it's about precision. Feel each twist through your core. Don't pull your neck or swing your elbows. Your shoulders should be lifting off the floor, using your abs, not momentum. As you pedal and twist, your entire abdominal wall lights up. It's a full core attack in one smooth motion. Plus, You're getting a slight cardio boost which helps with overall fat burn. This move gets tough quickly, but that's exactly why it works. If it burns, you're doing it right. Stick with it, your waistline will thank you. Exercise 5. Leg raises. Lower belly fat is notoriously stubborn, but leg raises are here to help you fight back. This move directly targets your lower abs, an area that's often neglected but absolutely essential for a flat stomach. Lie flat on your back with your arms by your sides and legs extended. Slowly lift your legs straight up toward the ceiling, then lower them back down without letting them touch the floor. That's where the magic happens. The lower the legs go, the harder your abs have to work. But don't sacrifice form. Keep your lower back pressed into the mat the entire time. If it arches up, you're losing core engagement. If you're a beginner, bend your knees slightly or raise your legs only part way. If you're more advanced, keep those legs perfectly straight and lower them as close to the floor as possible. This move also strengthens your hip flexors and helps with posture. As your lower abs get stronger, you'll notice your whole midsection pulling in tighter. Leg raises are simple but powerful. Just 30 seconds of this can bring serious burn and serious results. Exercise 6. Mountain climbers. Time to get the heart rate back up. Mountain climbers are a total body move with a strong focus on your core. They combine cardio with core strengthening, making them perfect for melting belly fat fast. Start in a high plank position. From there, drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch to the other leg. Move as if you're sprinting in place, but keep your back flat and your core tight. Think of your abs like a spring. Each knee drive activates those deep muscles. The more you engage your core, the more effective the burn. Mountain climbers also challenge your coordination and endurance. They're a dynamic move that builds strength while torching calories. You'll feel this one in your abs, shoulders, arms, and even your legs. If the pace feels too intense, slow it down. Focus on clean form and steady movement. Want a challenge? Add a crossbody twist to each knee drive to further target your obliques. This move is intense, but the fat loss payoff is worth it. Stay strong and keep climbing. Exercise 7. Flutter kicks. Flutter kicks may look easy, but don't be fooled. This move delivers a brutal lower of burn. It isolates the very area most of us want to tighten and tone. Lie flat on your back, hands under your glutes, legs extended. Lift both legs a few inches off the floor and begin kicking them up and down in a quick, controlled motion. The trick is to keep your core tight the entire time. Don't let your back arch or your legs drop too low. Your lower abs should be doing all the work. Flutter kicks don't just sculpt your stomach, they also strengthen your hip flexors and improve your core endurance. The small repetitive motion forces your muscles to stay engaged non-stop. Need a modification? Raise your legs higher. Want to push it? Keep them just a couple inches off the ground. This is the kind of move that sneaks up on you. It feels manageable at first, but the longer you hold it, the deeper the burn. Power through, you're almost there. Exercise 8. Russian twists. This move is a fan favorite for a reason. Russian twists attack the obliques while also strengthening your entire core, especially when performed with precision. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet either on the ground or lifted a few inches. Lean back slightly to engage your abs, then clasp your hands and twist your torso from side to side, touching the floor beside your hip each time. The key here is control. Move with purpose, not momentum. Your shoulders, not just your hands, should be rotating. That's how you engage the full oblique line. For more resistance, grab a dumbbell or water bottle. For more challenge, lift your feet off the floor and keep your spine long. You'll feel your core light up with every twist. This move is amazing for building definition in your waist and strengthening your spine and lower back at the same time. Stay consistent with Russian twists and you'll not only flatten your belly, you'll carve out that sculpted sideline most people chase for years. Exercise 9. Reverse crunches. Reverse crunches are an underrated core crusher. While traditional crunches target your upper abs, this variation hits the lower abs, giving you a fuller, more complete abdominal workout. Lie on your back with your legs lifted and knees bent at 90 degrees. Place your hands beside you or under your hips. Now use your core to lift your hips off the ground, curling your knees toward your chest. It's a small movement but incredibly effective. You're lifting with your abs, not using momentum or swinging your legs. Exhale as you lift and inhale as you lower. Keep it slow and focused. The lower you drop your hips back down, the more control you'll need. This builds strength right where it matters most, the lower belly. If you want to modify, perform the move with legs slightly higher. For a challenge, extend your legs out straight at the bottom for added resistance. Reverse crunches are a quiet powerhouse in this routine. They might be simple, but the payoff is serious, a flatter, tighter core that feels just as strong as it looks. Exercise 10. plank hold. We're finishing strong with a classic, the plank hold. It's the ultimate isometric exercise to train your entire core, and there's no better way to close this routine. Start in a forearm or high plank position. Your elbows should be under your shoulders, and your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Squeeze your abs, tighten your glutes, and lock in. Focus on your breath. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, and don't let those hips drop. If you start shaking, that means it's working. Plank holds work your rectus abdominis, obliques, transverse abdominis, and lower back all at once. It also improves posture balance and core endurance. If you need a break, drop to your knees for a moment, then come back strong. The longer you can hold with good form, the better your results. This is your final challenge. Dig deep and finish with strength and confidence. You've come this far, don't give up now. Hold it, breathe, and just like that, you crushed it. You did it. That's 10 powerful exercises in just 5 focused minutes, and every second you spent here brought you one step closer to your goal, a stronger, flatter, more confident you. Now take a moment to appreciate your effort. This wasn't easy, but you showed up, you pushed through, and you proved something important. You don't need a gym, fancy machines, or hours of time to transform your body. You just need a little space, a little dedication, and the decision to start. Every time you do this routine, you're not just working your abs, you're building momentum, discipline, and strength that goes way beyond fitness. Because when you show up for yourself, even for 5 minutes, it changes everything. Imagine doing this every day for a week, 2 weeks, a month. Your core will get tighter, your energy will go up, your mindset will shift, and that's exactly how results begin, not with perfection but with consistency. So I challenge you, commit to this 5-minute workout every day. No excuses, just show up. Your body will thank you. Drop a comment below with day 1 complete to make your promise public. Like this video if you felt the burn, share it with someone on the same journey, and hit subscribe for more daily workouts. Let's flatten that belly together, one day, one rep, one win at a time. See you in the next workout.